Welcome. In this episode, we're going to be building part 6-15, the Crankshaft Spacer for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we're going to build part 5-15, the Crankshaft Spacer for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's go File, New, Part MMGS. Then we'll go to the right plane, Sketch. Put two circles. This piece is pretty straightforward. The outside diameter will be 38. Inside diameter will be 25. It will be a thickness, I will do this one mid-plane, thickness of 14.5, and done. And that is it. Yep, there's no holes, there's no, yeah, that's it. Nice and simple. Let me just zoom in a bit. There we go. That's part 6-15, the Crankshaft Spacer for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon done. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Nice, simple one. I'll see you next episode. Remember, keep building.